Genesis 2 is often read as just the story of Adam and Eve. But if you look deeper, it's about rest, purpose, and the garden inside of you. God rested on the seventh day, not because he was tired, but because rest means completion, wholeness, balance. That's what real rest is. The peace of knowing everything is in its place. The Garden of Eden wasn't just a location. It was a state of harmony where humanity walked with God, innocent and whole. Maybe Eden is a picture of what our soul looks like when it's aligned with God. Man was formed from dust, fragile, temporary, but God breathed His Spirit unto him. That's not who we are, both dust and divine. Adam worked in the garden before sin entered. Work was never a curse, it was a purpose, a reminder that we are designed to create, to care and bring order. Eve's creation shows that life was never meant to be lived alone. She came from Adam's side, not his head, not his feet, symbolizing unity and equality. Real relationship is about oneness, not control. Genesis 2 isn't about rules, it's about rest, purpose, and connection. The Garden of Eden might not just be a place we lost. It could be a state of peace we are all searching to return to. This is Secular Bible, not religion, but revelation. Next episode, Genesis 3 and the story of the fall.